In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to add additional fonts to Windows 10 and Windows 11. Our first step is to find some free fonts that we can add. There are dozens of sites online that have fonts available. However, my favorite sites to find free downloadable fonts are Google Fonts, dafont.com, and fontspace.com. Not only do each of these sites have thousands of fonts available, but they also don't require account creation or signups or anything like that. I'll have links in the description to each of these sites if you would like to check them out. Now for our example, we're going to use Google Fonts. In a browser, hop over to fonts.google.com. Select the font you're interested in and click Download Family. Click Save to download the file. Go ahead and open the file that you just downloaded. This should open the compressed folder with your font or group of fonts inside. Double-click the font to bring up its details and click Install. One quick word of warning, if you are already working inside a program that uses fonts, to have that new font now show up in the program, you may have to close and then restart the program. Now to view all your installed fonts, or to remove the font we just installed, we can go to the Windows Font Manager. Use the Windows key or right-click the Start button to pull up your search bar. Type Font and then click Font Settings. Here we can see all the fonts that are installed on the computer. Now to remove the font we just installed, scroll through the list of installed fonts and click on the font we just installed. Click on Uninstall and then Confirm. And that's all there is to it. Thanks so much for watching.